with that, we will move, thank you, Scott, again, and we will move to our last speaker of this session, Kengo Suzuki. Hello, can you share your screen?
Yes. Can you see?
Yes, it's good. You can start.
Yes. Hello, everyone. Thank you for inviting me. So far, I would like to introduce our company overview and introduction of the ongoing biofuel business. Firstly, let me introduce about myself. My name is Kengo Suzuki, co-founder and executive officer, head of R&D of Euglena company, which I would like to explain later. And I have an academic background in bioengineering, molecular biology, and immunology. Next, I will introduce our company description. As everyone here knows, Euglena is a very characteristic creature. Euglena is abundant of nutrition, so will have high value as a food source. In addition, under an aerobic condition, Euglena accumulates wax ester in its cells, and it can be useful for fuel production. Originally, Euglena Corporation Limited is a startup company from the Faculty of Agriculture of the University of Tokyo. Actually, we can succeed for the outdoor mass cultivation of Euglena for the first time in December 2005. Euglena company has been for 15 years, and we have been making more than 100 million US dollars in annual sales so far. This pyramid is called 5F of biomass and indicates value per weight of the market. For instance, food which is at the top of the pyramid is in the special area, which means that food can get the high value per weight as business, and then next, which can get high value in the business is fiber, feed, fertilizer, and finally fuel. Microalgae Euglena can use as all stage of the pyramid. You can know easily that potential of Euglena is very wide. Recently, our R&D team has succeeded in developing a biomass plastic by blending the sediment of biofuel lipid, which can get from Euglena. We can make the biomass plastic, which 15% comprise from the sediment of Euglena's biojet fuel. Furthermore, the biomass plastic shows the outcome of stronger and harder than usual plastic. In last year, 2019, we have shown that Euglena genome editing can control some aspects of metabolism. And this year, 2020, we have summarized our review, the potential of Euglena genome editing technology to contribute to the achievement of the SDGs. Finally, let me talk about the ongoing fuel business, which is really important for our future. As for the research and development in Japan, validation of biofuel production has completed, including large-scale cultivating tests using exhaust gas from the thermal power plants. At the end of the production process, the nitrogen is reduced from the culture medium to effectively store carbohydrate in the Euglena cells. Then, when the cells lack of oxygen, the carbohydrates are metabolized into lipids, and about 1/3 of the dry weight of the cells is made up of lipids. See the picture of them with the support of a Japanese trading company, Itochu Corporation. We have tried small-scale cultures of Euglena in overseas. We have tried in Indonesia and Colombia firstly. We are trying that in order to conduct a large-scale demonstration test in a place with favorable solar radiation condition in the future. In order to produce biofuels domestically in Japan, we have established and start operation of a biofuel refinery plant in Yokohama, Kanagawa Prefecture, where is nearby Tokyo. The plant is producing up to 5 barrels of biofuel in a day using a mixture of wasted cooking oil and Euglena derivative oil as a feedstock. Although it is not yet available for use on the planes, use on the plane as biojet fuel, we can starting to supply biodiesel fuel to manufacturers of diesel vehicle and local authorities. So far, some buses are passing on the road by using biodiesel fuel made from Euglena. In conclusion, as final, let me tell you about our effort to reach 2040, aiming for long-term stays in space, assuming the Moon and Mars. We are studying about the method for material circulation in a closed space, using Euglena to absorb carbon dioxide and convert it into oxygen and nutrients. In the near future, by time we can go the Moon, we can cultivate Euglena there. Dream stories, right? We would like to work together with you to create sustainable society using microalgae Euglena. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, Kengo. So we have time for questions. Are there any? Okay, maybe not.